Hey family, one love, what's up? Just Tree here. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Taking a nice little grounding barefoot walk with my doggies in the arroyo. Take a little break of the farm work. It's starting to be spring. Not quite here yet, but lots to do. I spent the week trimming fruit trees, pruning, and working on greenhouses. Gonna be getting a new greenhouse from our friends at Flower Hill at Jemez Pueblo. Super grateful to you, my friends, Roger, Brophy, Bryn. Thank you. They're gifting us a new octagonal greenhouse. So I'm excited to get that up and just getting the joy vibe going about spring. Spring has always put a little spring in my step, and especially as a gardener, being able to be out in the sun again and fulfill my purpose. It's one of my purposes. But at any rate, just wanted to let you in. Today is day, I think, 285 of dry fasting or Prana feasting 23 hours a day. I want to let you know I got invited to the World Pranic Festival in Italy in August. That's going to be really neat. We have started building out our year and posted it on our website for spring foraging classes, our permaculture design course, some various classes on fasting and herbalism, as well as medicinal mushroom log cultivation and foraging walks. Also going to be part of the Southwest Fungafest this year. I think that's in July. So it's going to be a fun year. Got a lot of good things coming online, and just wanted to make you aware of those. Also want to suggest, if you're called to it, it's a great time to cleanse with the recent environmental catastrophes that will inevitably affect us all, as well as the coming of spring. It's an excellent timing for a cleanse, or even just the transformation of your life in all ways. We have a great group, the Rising Phoenix team, where we are seeking to change the health and wealth and knowledge of self, the lifestyle of 1 million people. So imagine if we all took it on to help one another get healthy and get the land healthy and get the wealth going, the kinds of changes we could create in the world with that. Start tree planting programs, food forest, parks and parking lots. Let's re-envision. Let's revitalize. Let's also support cottage industries, people selling their herbal tinctures and salves and their copper scalar pendants, and their people doing conscious commerce, creating apparel that's made out of natural fibers. Let's use our dollars and direct the change, and let's take on the opportunity to transform ourselves. So just wanted to hit you with some of that. Also, spring, it's early spring here. It's really late winter, of course, but there's still things available for everyone. Here we have some pinon. Makes an excellent vitamin C rich tea that's good for your respiration and digestion. The sap from the pinon or any ponderosa is good for healing wounds or for congestion. And the nuts from all pinons, or all pines rather, are nutritious and edible. So let's get on with this food sovereignty. Let's get on with the cultivation of land. Let's get on with the cultivation of health and wealth and those things that are aligned with our true natural spiritual essence and higher potential and best, happiest life. So hope you got something from this, family. Wishing you all the best. DM me if you're interested in classes or cleanses or tinctures, and be well.